What are the 10 most important tips to lose weight without dieting? Losing weight often builds up images of restrictive diets and endless gym sessions. However, we can achieve significant weight loss without putting ourselves on a stringent diet plan. Small changes in our lifestyle and habits can lead to substantial and sustainable weight loss. Here are 10 tips to help us shed those extra kilos effortlessly. Why is water important for weight loss? Drinking water, especially before meals, can play an important role in weight loss. Research from the University of Birmingham suggests that drinking 500 milliliters of water 30 minutes before meals can help reduce weight. Water can help us feel full, thereby reducing our overall food intake. Staying hydrated helps maintain our metabolism and energy levels, making us less likely to reach for sugary drinks or snacks. Add proteins to the diet. Increasing our protein intake can significantly impact our weight loss journey. Protein is known to boost metabolism by up to 80-100 calories per day and reduce hunger. Studies have shown that people who increase their protein intake consume fewer calories overall and have a reduced appetite. Adding high-protein foods like chicken, fish, prawns, eggs, and legumes into our meals can keep us satisfied longer and prevent overeating. Can sleeping affect the weight loss strategy? A good night's sleep is more than just a rest for our body, it's crucial for weight loss. Research indicates that inadequate sleep can disrupt the hormones that control hunger and appetite, leading to weight gain. The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7-9 hours of sleep per night for adults. Prioritizing sleep can help regulate our metabolism and curb unhealthy food cravings. Staying physically active might just be the most important. Doing regular physical activity in our routine is essential for weight loss and overall health. We don't necessarily need to hit the gym. Activities like walking, cycling, or even dancing can burn calories and boost our metabolism. A study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that even moderate physical activity can prevent weight gain and promote fat loss. No diet, but keep a check on what you eat. Mindfully eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and enjoying our food without distractions. This practice can help us recognize when we are truly hungry and when we are full, preventing overeating. A study from Harvard Medical School found that people who practiced mindful eating were able to reduce their calorie intake and improve their relationship with food. Add more fiber to the diet. Fiber is known for its weight loss benefits. It helps us feel full longer and reduces overall calorie intake. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, promote a healthy digestive system and prevent overeating. According to research from the University of Massachusetts Medical School, increasing dietary fiber intake can lead to significant weight loss without the need for calorie counting. Stress management can lead to bigger changes. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain as it triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that increases appetite and promotes fat storage. Finding ways to manage stress, such as through meditation, yoga, or even spending time with loved ones, can help us maintain a healthy weight. A study from the University of California, San Francisco, found that stress reduction techniques are effective in promoting weight loss and preventing weight gain. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Eating slowly and chewing our food thoroughly can help us eat less and feel more satisfied. This simple practice allows our body to recognize when we are full, which can prevent overeating. A study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that people who ate slowly consumed fewer calories and felt more satisfied compared to those who ate quickly. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks. Sugary drinks and snacks are high in empty calories and can lead to weight gain. Studies have shown that sugary beverages, in particular, are linked to increased body fat and obesity. Going for healthier alternatives like water, herbal tea, or fruit can help us cut down on unnecessary calories and improve our overall health. Consistency is a game changer. Weight loss is a gradual process, and consistency might be the answer we all need. It's important to remember that small, sustainable changes are more effective than drastic diets. Celebrate the progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to the health goals. People who maintain a consistent approach to their lifestyle changes are more likely to achieve long term weight loss success.